Hello everyone, myself Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of lymphatic system and its illness. So, lymphatic system it is a subsystem of circulatory system in the body that consists of vessels, network of vessels, tissues and organs. Lymphatic system plays a key role in maintaining the fluid of the body and immune system. Lymphatic system and circulatory system works parallelly. Talking about the function of lymphatic system, they maintain the fluid balance. They maintain the fluid balance in the body, that is between the tissues and blood, returns excess amount of fluid from the vessels or from the tissues which cannot be returned from the capillaries. Without lymphatic system in our body, there will be no function will be carrying out the excess amount of waste. Thus it is necessary that lymphatic system should be there in the body, as it helps in removing the excess amount of fluid which is toxic. Secondly, function helps in immune system, enables immune system to work properly, that is WBC, RBC and platelets. It helps in production of WBCs, which we call leukocyte, white blood cells, from which two types of cells are formed, that are B cells and T cells. As the blood gets near to the lymph node, it gets filtered and gets activated with the key contact of viruses or bacteria or any pathogen that we called antigen in lymph fluid, due to which lymphocytes, that are WBCs, white blood cells, get activated, which forms antibodies against these antigens to inhibit the growth of the microbes or pathogens. And third function, it is absorption. It helps in absorption of fat solubles in digestive system. Components of lymphatic system are lymphatic vessels, lymph node and lymphoid organ. Talking about lymphatic vessels, it is the network of vessels that collects fluid and diffuses from blood vessels capillaries in surrounding tissues. These capillaries also have walls which help the prevention of the backflow of the fluid. Now, lymph. Lymph is a clear fluid which we get from blood plasma. Unlike blood, lymph does not get circulated, but lymphatic fluid is not pumped but it is squeezed through the vessels when we use our muscles. Now, lymphatic node or lymph node. Lymphatic vessels travels the lymph fluid to the lymph node. Here filtration occurs, where lymph of pathogens containing like viruses, bacteria as well as cellular waste, that is debris, is filtered and helps in removal of this waste. Lymph node is also called as house immune cells, which we call lymphocytes. And now last component, that is lymphoid organ. It is nothing but the aggregation of lymphoid tissue. Example, thymus, spleen, tonsils, Peyer's patches in small intestine. Lymphoid organ is divided into two parts, that is primary lymphoid organ and secondary lymphoid organ. Thymus, bone marrow and fetal liver, these all consist together the primary lymphoid organ, which is derived from the bone marrow of the blood stem. All lymphocytes are derived from the stem cells of the bone marrow. Stem cells become B cells by remaining in the bone marrow, and they get mature their cells there only, while T cells undergoes near the thymus or inside the thymus, where the further maturation or growth is done. Secondary lymphoid organs are differentiation of the lymphocytes that occurs, which include spleen, nodes, Peyer's patches in small intestine, appendix and tonsils. It serves two basic functions, that is site for further maturation of lymphocytes and help in trapping the antigens for exposure to T and B cells. Spleen is also the largest organ of the lymphatic system, where growth and development of WBCs takes place. Now talking about the illness of the lymphatic system, that is swollen lymph nodes. which is also called lymphadenopathy. It is a condition where inflammation, infection, and cancer cause swollen lymph nodes. Common symptoms or common infections that can occur and cause enlarged swollen lymph nodes includes strep throat, mononucleosis, HIV, and infected skin wounds. Second illness, that is swelling or accumulation of lymph fluid, which is called lymphedema. It is blockage into the lymphatic system due to scar tissue from damaged lymph or node can cause lymphedema. It can also happen when your lymph nodes are removed in order to treat conditions like cancer. With lymphedema, mostly the fluid builds in arms and legs. Third illness, that is cancer of lymphatic system. Lymphoma, that is cancer of lymph nodes. It is a condition which occurs when the growth of the lymphocytes is multiplied and abnormal, which is uncontrolled growth of lymphocytes. Then lymphangitis, which is inflammation of your lymph vessels. Lymphocytosis, it is a condition where higher number or amount of lymphocytes are there in body when compared to normal amount. Thank you.